Hello, YouTube. We're going to learn this song by James called Laid. I'm going to play it and teach it, and then because this is a beginner video, then after I teach it, I'll show you the chords at the end. Okay, that way the people who just want to know the chords, they can just watch the first part of the video. All right, the song is pretty simple. That's why it makes a good beginner song. Through it real quick. Bed is on fire with the passion of love. The neighbors complain about the noises above, but she only comes when she's on time. So that's both the verse and the chorus have the same chord progression. Let's go over the chords. All right, C is the first chord. Index finger is on the B string at the first fret. Middle finger is on the D string at the second fret. And then ring fingers on the A string at the third fret. That's your actual C note. And this one is too. Now we're gonna just shift these fingers up to strings 5 and 6 for the G. That's what makes it kind of convenient on the guitar. All right, so the G is pinky on the third fret on the high E, then middle on the A string at the second fret, and ring fingers on the third fret on the low E. That's your actual G note. The strumming is like, it's like down, 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 up, down. The F. I'll show you the simplified F first. Index finger on the B string at the first fret. Middle on the G string at the second fret. And you can play it just on these three strings. Your ring finger is going to be on the D string at the third fret. And then we play strings 4 through 1. Oh, sorry, I hit 5. But if you want to, you can use your ring finger on the A string and use your pinky on the D string and add a string 5 into there. 5 through 1. All right, and then I play a bar chord usually for an F. That's holding down all the strings at the first fret, and your B string, you skip your G string, you hold down with your second finger at the second fret, and then your ring finger and your pinky go on the A and the D string at the third fret. This is actually has all the same notes in there, that those two simplified versions. Okay, they're just playing like part of it. And you know, when we go to the F, then it always goes back to the G. It goes back the way it came. Okay, so it goes the F through the G, and then to get out of the F, you go back to the G again. And then that's it. That's the whole song. All right, that's what makes it a good beginner song. So thanks for watching, and have fun playing that. All right, bye.